Hello, YouTube. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be opening up this smart Kepwam temperature-controlled mug. Obviously, this is used to keep any of your drinks warm, whether it be coffee or tea or any other beverage you want to hopefully keep warm for a longer period of time. This is actually one of my first, or actually the first, electric temperature-controlled mug device, so I don't really know or have anything really to compare it against as far as its quality or its ability to keep warm or its longevity. So hopefully it's something that lasts for a long time. I think this is about $60 when I bought it on Amazon, so the price may vary depending on when you're looking at it, if you end up deciding on purchasing it. But at the time of this recording, I think it was like $59.99 or something. So this is the box, obviously. Temperature controlled mug. Comes like with a little description of what it comes like in the box. So it has your mug, your power, a cord, and a base. This is the base right here. So inside the box, this is the base. So this is the unit. Has like these little contact points, and then you get your AC adapter. So you plug this in like that. Plug this into an outlet, and when it's being charged, the cup will sit on like that. It makes contact with this little electric ring. You put it on, and it'll give you a little display as to the status of the charge. And we will go ahead and take a look at that now. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's on the base. As you can see, mine is fully charged. You can see all the lights are blue. If it was not fully charged, like when I first got it, maybe about halfway in the middle somewhere, like on the third blue light, it'll be blinking, and then you'll know it's fully charged when all LED lights are lit up blue. There's 3 different temperature settings. So if you see the one in the far left, it's like a little steam icon, I guess, which represents the heat. So that's the lowest setting, of course. And then the middle is the medium setting, and then to the far right, of course, it's going to be the hottest setting. All right, so we have the cup. Getting ready to put some coffee in here using Dunkin' Donuts. So, oh, this is a 16-ounce cup. It's 14 ounces if you're planning on using it with a lid, which I didn't show you. But if you're not using a lid, which I'm not in this scenario, it's a 16-ounce cup. So it can hold 16 ounces of fluid without the lid and 14 ounces of fluid if you plan on using the lid. Okay. So to keep it warm, once again, remember I got to turn the power on. I just got to press it once. It has like a rubber texture feel to it, so just click it once. And that's going to keep it at the warmest setting. I'll probably go with a medium setting, so I'm going to press the power button one more time. That's kind of got to get the hang of this. Press it once. That turns it off. So press it again. That's the coolest setting. I'll put it the warm, like the medium setting. Right now it is 11:45. We'll come back in an hour and see if it keeps it warm. All right, so it's been 45 minutes. I have not really drank. All right, I took a sip or two, but it's been 45 minutes. I have kind of left it alone for the most part. So let's take a look and see if it's still warm. Yeah, it's actually still very warm. It's actually pretty good. So obviously time will tell if it's going to be something that's going to last a long time. I've seen some other reviewers say that their mug stopped working. Make it focus. It stopped keeping it warm. Um, you know, it had to be always plugged in and always put on the base over there for it to kind of keep warm. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But so far so good. Yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about it so far. So I'll maybe give like a 30-day or 60-day update on how it's holding up. But so far, yeah, for $59 or $60, seems like a pretty good buy. Um, and yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I hope you like the video. See you guys later.